Hello, my name is Jason from G-Force Systems and I'm here today to give you a quick guided tour of our G-Force compact vacuum system. Now, the external features on this vac, it has two locking casters on the front of the machine, which are great for keeping it still in your van, or when you're using it you can lock them off to stop it rolling. It has a powder coated frame, polypropylene drum, which are really strong, impact resistant. It's fitted with two heavy duty metal clips. Now these type of clips are usually only found on larger machines. They are really robust and they will give you years of service. There's one there and one this side. It has a metal 72mm inlet port. Now this port then has a locking pin. Okay, it's a side inlet port. This port will allow debris to go in and it will miss the filter, drop into the drum, works really well. It has a metal port inlet there, so that now locks in with a pin, and as you can see we have the cuff made up, which then goes onto a 50mm hose. This cuff, okay, is custom made for us. Okay, it's nice and smooth, no sharp edges. It's sealed onto there. It's made to exactly fit this hose, so you've got no air loss at all. It's absolutely brilliant. You can grab that, no issues. Okay, that's a really robust locking system. It won't come out by itself. On the head of the machine, around here, we have a 360-degree exhaust port. Now, the benefit of this is airflow goes in here, comes up through the motor, it's then blown out. Having a 360-degree exhaust port means that the air can get out quicker, meaning airflow is better, meaning you get better suction. Okay, it means the motors run cooler, it means the motors will last longer, it means your vac is just more efficient. So we'll have a look at the inside of the vac. So the vac comes with two filters. It comes with a white HEPA filter and a blue sponge filter, which is for wet use, that we'll have a look at in a minute. Now, one of the unique features on this vacuum is the tungsten carbide deflector plate. So this is designed so that it sits in line with the port, and as your debris comes in, rather than hitting and damaging or blocking your filter, it hits this and then drops into the drum. Okay, that's held onto the machine by two stainless steel screws here. Okay, and when you want to change from this filter over to the blue filter, it really is simple. Okay, you just unscrew the filter, remove that. You then take out the two screws on the deflector plate, and then you would fit the blue sponge filter and then fit the two screws with the deflector plate. Now this filter is brilliant for wet conditions. Okay, the white filter is great for dusty conditions and dry conditions, but it doesn't deal well with wet conditions. That's why you use the sponge filter. But the sponge filter is not as robust, and without this, what would happen is debris would come in and the filter would just end up getting shredded. So that will give you a really long life for your filter. Okay, periodically you will need to clean this. You just undo the two screws, take it off, give it a wash, put it back on, put the two screws back in, you're good to go. Okay, always have a filter in here. Don't run it without a filter. It needs the filter to protect the motors. Once again, do the clasp up and you're good to go. The vacuum comes with a 5-meter hose. Okay, it has a good strong flex there with a flex holder that just sits on there. It's a really brilliant machine, great for using in confined areas, great for taking up onto scaffold, using in cherry pickers, or just for those smaller jobs when you don't need a large machine. Okay, it's a really good machine all round, can't really rate it high enough. I hope this has been informative. For more information and full technical specifications of this machine, go to our website geforcesystems.co.uk or just give us a call because we're always here to help. Thank you.